Cloud AI have just changed graphic design forever. Now, do you believe that you don't really need graphic designer for any form of design? Now, take a look at this image, take a look at this design, and also this one. Do you believe that all this was done using Cloud AI? Now, within some few minutes, I'm going to teach you all the steps that you can follow to learn how to do this in few minutes. Very easy to learn. Now, all I need you to do is for you to pay attention. Now, let's dive in. Now, all you need to do is just go to your Cloud AI. Just click on Cloud AI. Cloud AI. Good. Now, if you don't have an account, you may be prompted to create one. So I have mine, so it will automatically bring out this interface for me. Good. Now, this Cloud AI is not an image-based AI, but rather an AI that will give you a very good prompt. That will give you a very good prompt to generate such stunning designs you saw earlier. Now, this is how you are going to do it. Now, let's assume you have a client, or you are a designer, or you are about to learn how to design, and you've gotten a gig already, so you want to use AI. Now, this Cloud AI will give you a nice prompt. I've used it many times to design or to create a design for myself and for clients as well. So all you need to do is give it detailed explanation of your business location, business name, and tell it to write a prompt to generate the image for you, and it will do that perfectly. Now let's go in and let me show you what I mean practically, because I do practically. I don't believe in much word, but practically I will show you. Now, what you do is, let's assume you are a food vendor, or you are a business owner. Let's assume business center, or you are a laundry shop owner, or you sell shoes or wares or anything. So you can now explain it to this Cloud AI. Okay, let's say, okay, let's see. You will now say I am, let's say, a nail technician, right? As for ladies. For guys, you just input the name of your business. If it's a shoe, you own a shoe shop, or now. So okay, I'm going to maybe do this into two parts, for ladies and for guys. But let's say for ladies, I am a nail technician, right? Is that correct? Technician. All right. So I fix nails. I fix finger nails and other nails. That's the legs. I don't want to go into that. And other nails also. Okay, like eyelashes of all kind. Don't mind me, I'm not good into this. Okay, eyelashes of all kind. How is it spelled? The pedicure, manicure, and pedicure. Is it pedicure or pedicure? Pedicure. Right? Don't mind my language, I'm not into this. And others as well. So full stop. Now, this is the first aspect. You have explained what you do. Now, what do you want? Tell it, what do you want? I want to create You can use design. You want to create a flyer, or you can say poster, depending on what you want, right? So poster for my business. Now you have told it what you want. Now your details, right? Now for my business, now my business name. I don't want this video to be very lengthy. My business name is sorry, I'm making a spelling error. Sorry, business name, let's say, is Nazi hair or Nazi lashes. All right, good. And my shop is located at number 23 Catherine Road, Enugu. For example, I don't live here, Enugu. So you can, my phone number, my number is blah 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 blah. You can say 080. You can just, this I'm just giving a random number. So therefore, now as you have given it what you do, your address and what you want, now the final part you say acts as a professional, or my professional prompt engineer writes a prompt for a premium design for my services and products, or product and services, right? So after writing this, you can say make sure it is attractive and include all necessary pictures and images that depicts what I do, right? So you can leave it here. So you now click enter. So, and in matter of seconds the prompt will be ready. Here it is, the prompt is ready. Are you getting it? Good. So we are not using this Claude AI for the design. You use your Nano Banana Pro. So all you need to do, I will open a new tab. If you are using a phone, can you do this as well? If you have a system, you can do it as well. You look for Flow AI. Once you use your Flow AI, you create it, you click it, the first one, the first link, then you come to new project. I've used this before, so all you need to do is you click on new project. Good. Now this project, you go back, you copy your prompt. Good. Now after copying your prompt, you come to this. Now you select that is agent here. This agent, your own, if you created it newly, it may be on Nano Banana 2. Take note. Now you change it to Nano Banana Pro. Then you select image because you are designing for image. Then you select the frame, that's the rate or the aspect ratio. So this one is for video. So if you are doing video, you do it, we'll still do a video to show you how to use this. So we are on Nano Banana Pro. So you come here, then you paste your prompt here. After pasting your prompt here, so what do? You click on the arrow here, you click on it and wait for your video. Now while it is designing, if you enjoy what I'm doing, please don't fail to subscribe to this channel. Also regularly visit. I drop content often, and my content are very educational and beneficial to you. Also drop your comment if you have your question, if you have a clarification, if you have suggestion, also drop in the comment section. I will be reading and responding to you whenever I see it. Okay, so here is our design. Have you seen it? Fantastic, like fantastic. It is sweet and marvelous. Now this is the second design, also very good, very nice, very wonderful. This is it. So I'm going to download it. Now for you to download this, you just come here, you click on it, you click on 2 key. Once you click on 2 key, it will upscale the image and download. Now it has downloaded here. That is it. Now if you have editing or you don't like this, so all you need to do, just come back. You want to change the design, or you have problem with the color or anything, there's a mistake or an error, you can adjust that. All you need to do is go back to your Claude AI, tell it to rewrite the prompt and adjust the colors and the design to be more attractive. Good. Now if you want to include an image, you can also tell it that you have to use your image and so far. So all you need to do is, I would like to, okay, I don't have a feminine picture, but you can still do that. All right, so I'll show you how to do that. I will upload my image, include it in your prompt. As simple as it is. Then you click on it. Once you click on it, it will generate another fresh prompt for you. This is it. Wonderful. Now once it's done, all you need to do is you copy it. If you copy it, then you take it to this place, and also you paste it as well. Once you paste it, then you attach your image. You attach your image, or you upload. If you don't have image here, you upload image. Once you okay, this one are my uploads. This is where you upload your images. So maybe let me look for this download. Let me look for image. Okay, let me use this one. No, let me use another one. I'm a guy. and this is a feminine business, but that notwithstanding, I'm still going to use my image. I'm going to use my image for it, so you can use yours as well. I've uploaded it. Good. So we add it here, so you click on it and see while it's generating. Now it is done the generating. Look at it. Wow, but the only thing is I'm a guy here, but if you're a lady, it's going to give you a premium output. Trust me, it's going to give you a premium output. Now you can be using this to get a small cash, you know. You can use this one for a small cash, you know. You can get a gig from a client and make a design and get a little money for yourself. You can design any type of design you wish. You can design a poster, you can design a flyer, you can do a mock-up. You can do a mock-up, right? I'm going to teach you how to do that. So don't forget to watch my videos. This is my channel, Ken Creative Concepts. Do well. I have very educative videos. Go to my channel, watch the videos, drop your comments, drop your observations, and drop a question if you have. I will do well to answer them. Now thank you for watching these videos. I will be dropping content every week. Thank you very much. We will meet again. Thank you.